I didn't know that I could become any closer to my mother. I'm really grateful to have always had a close relationship with my mom, but watching her as a grandmother, kind of watching her read to Charlotte, watching her give Charlotte a bottle, watching her sing to Charlotte, I'm just all the more grateful that she's my mom and that she is Charlotte's grandmother.
All right, welcome back, folks. The question has to be, was this all in proximity to the server? And what if some of the milk had spilled on the server? What would have happened to the emails? That will be the topic of Charles Hurt's next column for the Washington Times. But the column today, which you should all check out at WashingtonTimes.com, is Are We Ready for 10 More Years of Wrath from the Eternal Woman Scorned? Hello, Charles.
Hey, Steve. I don't know if that I can do this interview because I'm having to wipe the tears out of my eyes from hearing those touching words from Chelsea. I just don't know that I can go on. It's just, I'm so moved. I'm verklempt.
Well, that's what I'm here to do, to move people. I'm here to move people. All right, so look, another story that's out from the right-wing rag, the New York Times today, which is posted prominently on the Drudge Report, by the way. No classified emails by Clinton, ? Some experts are skeptical. And they go on to quote, by name, people who work in this business of government, and they talk about how almost every document, almost every email is overly sensitive to being stamped classified, and she claims no classified documents were exchanged at her time as Secretary of State. So the question has to be begged, or the question, did she do anything?
No, it's funny. I was wondering the same thing. Man, she must have really just been exchanging a lot of emails about playing bridge with a fellow
yoga, Charles, yoga.
Yeah, and yoga. But my goodness, it really is one of these cases, and we know about people like this where they're extreme narcissists, and one of the things about them is that they believe. She didn't seem like she was lying. She didn't look like it. She didn't have a tell where she was twitching or anything. It's like she actually just simply believes the truth is whatever she says it is. And it's the exact same thing that we would get out of Bill Clinton, although, of course, Bill Clinton is a much more talented sort of virtuoso on the public stage. But she just whatever she says, well, you know what? That's the truth in her mind, and she's just going to icily ignore any facts or any statements to the contrary. She's just going to pretend they don't exist.
And Charles, now we find out, according to the Weekly Standard, that her two top aides, Cheryl Mills and Huma Abedin, both had personal emails. So she talks about anything related to business, is in the State Department. She could have talked about Benghazi or anything with these two, and probably did. From her personal email to their personal email, and we're never going to see any of that.
No, we're absolutely not. And of course, those are precisely the emails where investigators, whether it's Benghazi or whatever, are going to get the most important information, and the case of of blaming the movie for the riots across the Middle East. That all that information is going to be contained in precisely the very emails that she sort of just dismisses with the back of the hand, saying, "Oh well, all of the vast majority of recipients who got emails from me were in the State Department, so they're already archived." Well, we're not looking for the vast majority of recipients. We want to know what she was sending to Huma Abedin and Cheryl Mills. Those are the emails we want.
Absolutely. All right, so what are the odds that the hard drive is still in that server or in that computer? Because no one asked her. She did say that the server stays where it is. It's private, which is ridiculous. If she's Secretary of State, that can't be private. And she didn't answer why it took her 2 years. But I'm thinking that even if they get the server, I don't know. If they get the server, is the hard drive the server? I mean, you got to tell me if you know.
I don't really know,
okay.
but I know enough to know this, that I guarantee you, if you have a server in your home and you have the sort of you have on staff all full-time counsel advising you on all this stuff,
yeah.
I bet you anything you know, she either she knows or she has people who know exactly how to erase
Absolutely.
this as well as it can be erased.
Charles, one other question. Has any, you know everybody, you watch the news day in and day out. Was there a law that said she couldn't have one phone with 2 email accounts? No, really, because Lanny Davis couldn't tell me why. Judicial Watch today, Tom Fitton said no. Was there? Do you know there was one?
Well, I know that first of all, I have to carry several phones around.
No,
second of all, they all carry multiple accounts.
Right, I have 3 on my BlackBerry. Charles, we're out of time, so I guess the answer is no law. Please, somebody tell me I'm wrong. Don't go away. Thanks, Charles.